Hello, dear lovely friends. Welcome back to English with Shamali Fiane, where learning English is fun and easy. Today, we'll explore the fascinating world of verbs. Before I get started, I've got a question to ask you. Did you know that verbs can do much more than just describe actions? Let's find out how. So in this lesson video, I'll be teaching you different categories of verbs that you need for you to communicate effectively in English language. So make sure that you watch the whole video because here we're going to study different verbs that you need for you to communicate in different contexts of language, of English language. So make sure that you follow each and every single step that I show you here, each and everything that I teach you here. Make sure that you pay attention to it because you're going to be able to use these verbs in context, in building your own sentences, either in spoken English or written English. Here we go. Verbs that we use every single day fall into the following main categories. Number one, we have action verbs. Number two, we have linking verbs. Number three, we have auxiliary or helping verbs. Number four, we have modal verbs. Number five, we have transitive verbs. Number six, we have intransitive verbs. Number seven, regular verbs. Number eight, irregular verbs. Then number nine, of course, it's phrasal verbs. Number 10, stative verbs. So let's dive in deeper and explore the differences between these categories of verbs. For number one, as I have told you, we have action verbs. An action verb, also called a dynamic verb, describes the action that the subject of the sentence performs. Example, you can say, I run. This means it tells us what a person, animal, or thing does. Action verbs differ from stative verbs, which describe a state of being. Example, believe or want. So here we have example sentences for action verbs. You can say, she runs every morning. My children go to school every day. They swim in the lake every summer. He paints beautiful landscapes. The dog jumps over the fence. She carries the groceries to the car. We climb the mountain every weekend. We are studying English at the moment. We study English every day. So all these verbs, these ones, runs, go, swim, paints, jumps, carries, climb, and study are action verbs because they are telling us what the subject performs.